Looking for a compact, easy-to-carry pressure washer that handles small home tasks without breaking the bank? The Black&Decker 1600 PSI pressure washer delivers all that and more, and here's why it stands out from the rest. This Black&Decker model is built for effortless portability. Weighing just 17.4 pounds and featuring a top handle, you can easily carry this thing wherever you need it. Perfect for small home tasks, it won't weigh you down, and it's compact enough to store almost anywhere. But don't let its lightweight design fool you. This machine packs a punch with 1600 psi of water pressure, giving you about 27 times more power than a standard garden hose. While it might not boast the highest psi in its price range, the BPW 1600 hits that sweet spot for light-duty jobs. Cleaning fences, decks, and even lawn equipment? No problem. This unit gets the job done with its 1.2 GPM flow rate, clearing grime and dirt with ease. One standout feature is its total stop system, TSS. This automatically shuts off the motor when you release the trigger, extending the life of the pump and saving energy. You won't find yourself wasting power or wearing out the motor when it's not in use. Smart and efficient. You also get 2 nozzles included, a 40-degree nozzle for general cleaning and a turbo nozzle for more intense, spot cleaning. And since it's got quick connect nozzles, switching between them is a breeze. It might not come with every nozzle option out there, but for most everyday jobs, these 2 will be your go-to tools. The axial cam pump and 13-amp motor team up to deliver a steady stream of power, and with a 35 FT GFCI power cord and 20 FT hose, you've got more than enough reach to cover your yard or driveway. Plus, the onboard storage hooks keep everything organized. No fumbling around for your spray gun or pressure hose when it's time to clean. Speaking of cleaning, adding soap is a cinch with the optional foam cannon attachment. This isn't included, but when paired with it, you're all set for tackling tougher surfaces like cars or outdoor furniture. Now, let's talk price. Sure, there are models out there with higher PSI or GPM, but for approximately $100, the Black&Decker 1600 PSI pressure washer offers serious bang for your buck. It's compact, budget-friendly, and ideal for those lighter tasks around the house. If you don't need the sheer power of more expensive models, this is an absolute win. Need something more heavy-duty? The best Simpson pressure washer is the pro's choice for demanding tasks. It's ready to play on the screen now,